Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
Hey traders, in this video we will cover accessing the DOM and adjusting exit strategies, otherwise known as bracket orders. To hide and show the DOM, simply select the DOM panel icon in your toolbar, as so. Then select the settings icon cogwheel, expand the box to see all of your options, select exit strategies, select the plus button to create a new one, or you can select one of the existing brackets by double-clicking on it. You can rename it, change it to ticks or percent, however you would like. You can enable or disable the percentage of account risk, and enable and disable the break-even offset. Make sure that your quantity percentage equals 100% across all of your steps. Adjust your order types, if needed, to market if touched, trail, or stop limit from the default of stop. Adjust your stop offsets for each step, enable and disable each step, and you can add and subtract steps as needed. Once you're happy with your settings, select OK, select Apply, and select OK.